Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do reading for Aquarius 8 sign, and this reading is from September 1st to September 10th. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone, and this reading is about your person current feelings and their near future actions towards you. So let's see first their current feelings right now. Later we see their actions. Okay, 6 of Wands, 3 of Swords, Knight of Swords. I think they are in pain, definitely heartbroken, and they want success in this connection and they want to come towards you. But Knight of Wands is they are in and out in your life. So let's clarify 6 of Wands. But they want this connection, but they are not staying stable. They are coming when they want and they are going when they want. There is no stability. Here, Queen of Pentacles, 4 of Pentacles. Here they are not expressing their feelings also. Queen of Wands, lot of passion is there, attraction is there, but not responsible. Your person is not taking responsibility, I am getting. They are not expressing their feelings. And Queen of Pentacles, they want to share everything with you. They want success with you, but not expressing their feelings. But they want to come towards you when they want, I am getting. So let's see. But there is a lot of attraction. Your person is attracted to you. So let's see their actions towards you. So their actions completely based on upon your situation. 6 of Pentacles. Yeah, they want to offer equal give and take in this connection. In past, there is no equal give and take. Queen of Swords, Tower. So let's clarify 6 of Pentacles, 6 of Cups, 6 of Queen of Swords. Clarifying card is 6 of Swords, and Tower clarifying Page of Cups. Some tower movement is happened, or it is going to be happen between both of you. And yeah, I think your person want to offer this time equal give and take, and they, because you both have strong soulmate and past life connection with each other, and some communication, some clarity you will get from your person, and definitely will get receive some clarity communication from your person. And 6 of Swords, this could be long distance relationship. I think your person want to clear the disputes between both of you. And Page of Cups, here they want to apologize you, and some messages are coming in your way. Aquarius definitely will get communication. So let's see. Another deck is 9 of Swords. I think your person is not sleeping, or you could be at night times thinking. So let's see regarding your connection, where it is headed. Bye. Queen of Cups, you both have strong emotions for each other. Page of Swords, yeah, communication. You both are spying on your social media, or your person could be spying on you on social media. Aquarius. The Lovers, see, your person could be Gemini, or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. All signs are here. Yeah, particularly Gemini could be you both love each other. Unconditional Temperance. Yeah, see here your person could be Sagittarius also. I think patience and balance is needed in this connection. Connection is needed means you both have to be patient, and you both have to maintain some balance in this connection. You both love each other. You both have strong emotions for each other. You have to be patient and balanced. Something is missing in this connection. That's why the Tower moment, balance is missing. So one person is investing more than the other person. Then when it's unbalancing is happened between both of you. So you both have to be balanced, you both have to be patient, then this relationship is going to be next level according to me. So this is the reading for you, Aquarius. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.